In front of me is Motorola Moto G56 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now tap on Personalize section over here. Select Fonts and click on any of those to apply it. When you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, go back to the same settings and click on default at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!